Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Verify your mobile plan allows a hotspot and that you have enough data. Once done, open your phone settings and enable the hotspot, name it clearly, and set a WPA2 or WPA3 password so devices can connect securely. Now, on your laptop, enable Wi-Fi and make sure any VPN or firewall software that blocks new networks is temporarily disabled. This gets you from zero to discoverable and lets the laptop see the hotspot within seconds. You now connect. Open your laptop's Wi-Fi list, find the hotspot SSID you created, and select it. Enter the password exactly. Capitalization and symbols matter. After connecting, pick the network profile. Choose private if you trust the device and need local sharing, otherwise select public for safety. Make sure your laptop obtains an IP address and that the default gateway is the phone. You can verify by viewing network details or running a quick ping. If you see limited connectivity, toggle Wi-Fi off and finish by confirming internet access. Load a web page or run a brief speed test to ensure the connection is usable. If pages won't load, first toggle the phone's hotspot off and then on, or enable airplane mode for a few seconds to reset radios. Restarting both devices usually clears lingering issues. If you still fail to get online, check tethering settings, verify carrier tethering limits or blocks, and confirm battery saver modes aren't restricting background data. Addressing those commonly resolves stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.